Alright, hello and welcome YouTube, Kenny here. Today's the day. What day? Cryofuel day. Cryofuel Solid Azure Blue. So the first thing we're doing before I put this in my wall mount, because I only have one of these and that should be more than enough to fill that loop up, is check and see if there's any sediment in here. So I got this really not fancy rig set up here to hopefully see if there's any chunks in here or anything like that. So it does say ensure that your liquid cooling components do not contain any residues from prior coolants or residues of cleaning chemicals. A simple flush with distilled water is usually sufficient, which it's been flushed with distilled water for quite a while now. Previously used liquid cooling equipment, especially radiators, must be cleaned without any leftover coolant residue from other chemicals, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, that stuff out of the way. I wanted to see if there's any chunks or stuff in here. It doesn't look like it. It looks like it's pretty clean and good to go. But I got this glass here and these little filter things to catch any particles if there is any, because I've seen reports that there are, and people have had issues with that stuff, so kind of curious why or what causes it, or I have no idea. Never used the blue stuff myself, so this is new to me. But I never had any issues with the green. I even still have some green left over from... This stuff is damn old now. I don't see anything going on in there, but I just wanted to pour it out in here. I guess you can see kind of more of the color as well. I was hoping that using two of these things would catch any chunks if they're already chunks. That's a pretty cool color though. Whoop. A little almost too full. So that was just over half a liter. That smell though. Interesting. Now how do I get it back into the... I don't know. But yeah, still no chunks, so obviously that's not the entire thing, but it didn't catch anything. I think we're okay. I don't think there's anything in here. So yeah, I'm making a huge mess right now, but we're just gonna continue on with this and see if this thing catches any chunks. And we did not. Looks fine in here too. I don't see nothing. Excuse me, no physical chunkies. Let's pour some into this guy. So now we just made a huge mess for almost nothing. I guess maybe I'm lucky. I don't know. I used the wrong glass too. This is terrible. Thankfully, I don't need all of this. There we go. That is a satisfying sound. What the hell? What is wrong with me? I was going to dump it all back. Alright, so thanks for watching my horrible experiment. No floaties, no chunks, no nothing. Everything looks gravy. We're going to go ahead and transfer over and start filling up the loop. So stay tuned for that video. I'll probably link it up here in the description below because I'm going to keep them separate videos, I think. For whatever reason, I'm going to leave this one like this for some... whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment about how stupid this was. And hit that subscribe button if you'd like so you can get notified when that other video goes live and whatnot and more water cooling stuff. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.